After the dismal performance by the Pakistani cricket team in the ICC Men's Cricket World Cup, where they failed to book a semi-final seat, former Pakistan cricketer Abdul Razak stooped very low and compared with a reference to Bollywood actress Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. Razak, while hitting out at the Pakistan Cricket Board's intentions, shelled out a bizarre example mentioning the name of Aishwarya. Speaking at a press conference where former players like Umar Gul and Shahid Afridi were also present, Razak said, "Here I am referring to PCB's intention. While I was playing, I was aware of my captain Yunus Khan's good intentions. That gave me strength and confidence, and with Allah's help, I was able to perform well for Pakistani cricket." He added while elaborating more, "We don't really intend to improve and enhance the players, in my opinion. That will never happen if you believe that I will marry Aishwarya Rai to have a good-natured and moral child. Therefore, you must first amend your intentions." To much surprise, Shahid Afridi and Umar Gul were seen smiling and clapping after Razak's controversial remarks. As per Razak, the PCB doesn't take care about the players like before. Reacting sharply to Abdul Razak's remarks, former Pakistani pacer Shoaib Akhtar condemned the inappropriate joke. He took to X and wrote, "I highly condemn the inappropriate comparison made by Razak. No woman should be disrespected like this." He also slammed Shahid Afridi and Umar Gul for clapping on Razak's statement. People seated beside him should have raised their voice right away rather than laughing and clapping, Akhtar added. Following the controversial remarks, social media users started slamming the former Pakistan all-rounder. One user wrote on X, "Abdul Razak, you have stooped very low. Speak according to your level. You don't need to say anything about Aishwarya Rai. Please, instead of talking about an Indian actress, talk about your own players and cricket system." Calling it a shameful remark, a user even slammed Gul and Afridi. The user wrote, "Umar Gul and Shahid Afridi are laughing and clapping. Shahid Afridi has 3 daughters." In the ongoing ICC Men's World Cup tournament, Babar Azam-led Pakistan managed to win only 4 of their 9 league matches. They failed to book a semi-final spot and also finished 5th in the points table.